Happy today, family, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu I have chocolate chip and banana pancakes with crispy edges. This one is for the ones with the sweet tooth. Here are the ingredients. I have some water. I have some pancake mix, complete. I have a banana. I have chocolate chips, semi-sweet. I have some flour, some butter, and a bowl. Now let's begin cooking. Into the bowl, we're going to add our pancake mix. Our water. Some, add little at a time because you don't want to water it down. It'll be too thin. Although if you do, you can add more pancake mix. Or if you make it too thick, you can add more water. And this is about the thickness you want it. And you're going to have lumps, so don't panic if you see lumps. We're going to put our chocolate chips into the flour. Like, move them around. Use your finger if you need to. And we're doing this because we don't want our chocolate chips to sink to the bottom of our pancakes. We want them to be throughout. And this helps prevent that. So I'm going to just sift the flour out. So they're coated, see? We're going to add them into our pancake mix. And just kind of toss it around. You can add as many or as little as you like. And here's what we're going to do with our banana. We'll just cut them into little bite-sized pieces. You want one in every bite if possible. So you chop them kind of small. What you see. Oops. About this size. Sorry. And we'll add the bananas back into the bowl. Also decided to add a little bit of vanilla extract, maybe about 2 drops. Why not? Let's go all the way out. And you just mix this together and see how that looks. Looks good already, doesn't it? I'm going to get my grill pan ready and we're going to cook these up. I have my grill pan on 300. I've sprayed it with non-stick spray just to be safe. And I'm going to use my 1/3 cup measuring cup. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. You know what, guys? I forgot the most important part, but that one is fine. Looking good. Me and my hubby used to go out. We used to go out like every Friday to get some pancakes with the crispy edges. You see what I'm doing? I'm adding the butter. And I could not figure out for the life of me what they were using. I put sugar in them. I added cornstarch to them. I poured butter in them, and it just wouldn't work. So one day, this is my last try. I took some butter, like you just saw me do. I'm going to have to turn this up. And I rubbed the pan, like I'm doing, with the butter. I know it's a lot of butter, but this is how they do it. And they came out perfect. I couldn't believe it. And I was excited. Like, husband, I figured out the crispy edges. So we've been doing it at home for the most part now. You know, the most difficult things are so easy. You just have to figure it out. Try things. You're going to cook them until they're looking dried out on top, and you have they're full of holes, and it's not quite there yet, but it will be, and I'll show you. Okay, it's good enough to turn right now. And let's see what these other with butter is doing over here. You gotta be careful because they will burn because of the butter. Let's see, sorry. And you see those edges? There you have it. They're nice and crunchy. I don't know if you can hear it. That's the only way I found to get the crispy edges. But other than that, these will be some yummy pancakes. When you take your finger and push it and it bounces back, then you know you're ready. And there you have it, chocolate chip and banana with crispy edges pancakes. You just add a little maple syrup, get your fork and your knife, and enjoy. Well, family, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a wonderful time. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them. Pray for you, pray for us, and then pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, be well.